What's up, guys? William over here, Big Will Estate, at our new listing. We just activated it this morning, 95 Green Street. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough so you guys could check it out. It's a totally renovated, single-family house, 95 Green Street in Wakefield. It's gonna be it is the third lowest price home on the market today. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Check out this kitchen, beautiful. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting, smart fridge. That thing is awesome. It even changes baby diapers. Maybe I should buy this house. Beautiful hardwood floors, fireplace that works, open concept. Again, the address is 95 Green Street in Wakefield, Massachusetts. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, totally renovated, upgraded like electrical, plumbing, newer roof. I mean, you name it, this is move-in ready. There's nothing besides just to hang the TV up and move right in. If you guys want a private tour, feel free to give us a call. We'll set it up, easy to show. Second bedroom here. Bathroom is beautiful. Check that out. So give us a call at 781-420-5391. It's actually Veronica. We're already getting showing request. 95 Green Street. 3 beds, 1 bath, totally renovated. Move-in ready. If you know anybody that wants to take a look, give us a call. Thanks for watching. 95 Green Street. See ya.